The reason why there hasn't been a video in like a month, real talk, is because this has been sitting here like this. Literally, well, this happened today, but it's been sitting like this because of a, like I should show, it's right there.
I know.
Yep. Those 3 bolts right there. Studs now. 1, 2, and 3. Yep. For the thermostat. Literally was a 20-minute job, and it turned into the whole front of the car being torn apart because the heads on the studs, actually right here, all 3 of them, look like, focuses on that stud, look like this, all 3 of them. And so, yeah, I mean, we bought everything in the book to take them out. I'm talking everything. Everything. A whole bunch of drill bits. Everything. We bought a torch. I mean, everything to get it out. And yeah, they're just not budging. So we have to send the car off somewhere because we can't fix that. I mean, we're at the point that's we've tried everything. It's literally been sitting here for a month for a 20-minute job. And today we thought it'd be easier to take off the whole, radiator, Corksport, everything to get to it, and it was, but we still couldn't get the studs out. Like they were like welded in there or something, or they just put Loctite, red Loctite, not the blue one, the red one, just to be like a prank. Like it was bad. But yeah, been sitting on jack stands for a month.
Oh yeah, when I let it off, it's gonna be like,
it's gonna creak, it's gonna cry. I think the last video I put up was putting the wheels on, right?
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
And then that weekend we went to a car show.
Yep.
And that was the last time we drove it. No, you were home for a week.
Yeah, I was home for like.
And you came back.
Yep.
Oh yeah, because it overheated.
Yeah,
and then you changed the sensor on the radiator.
Yep.
And then the thermostat went out.
Thermostat went out.
So yeah, that's the update on why we haven't uploaded a video in so long. There's not much else to say. I mean, should have been an easy job. This obviously was replaced because it has a part number on it, I'm assuming. But this is for a Ford Focus. And if you guys know your, Mazda Speed motors and stuff like that, it's the same motor as a Ford Focus. All the part numbers and everything pretty much match the same. I don't have the gasket, but you can see before we cracked it because we had to get out of there. Where's the leak at?
Oh, the gasket's off, but it was, what was it? Well, actually, yeah, that whole piece here, that whole piece here, it's supposed to be metal, but that whole part came out with the gasket. It was stuck on the screw, remember?
I just saw it earlier.
Yeah.
Somewhere over here. I was just playing with it.
Yeah, it was somewhere over here.
Yeah, but yeah, that whole piece, right there, there it is. I'm talking about it. This piece.
Yep. Came out because there was a leak over here, and it seems like maybe that leak transferred all over.
And got to the bolts.
It got to the bolts, to the screws, to inside the engine.
In the block.
In the block, so
that's causes a lot of damage. Like
this ended up being stuck closed, so it wasn't cooling the engine.
And then that ended up being stuck to the actual block itself. Like this literally was stuck to the block. We had to break it because it was stuck to the block.
Yep.
So yeah. There's that.
Fun times.
Probably won't be another speed video because it's about to be cold. Chicago weather. It's already cold now. It's cold right now. It was nice today. It was like 68 earlier. Right now it is 50 degrees outside. But yeah, that's the update with that.
Yeah, this was supposed to be pool season, and only thing I was able to do was put it into a garage.
That was it.
Hey.
Yes, that was it. Pulled into a garage. That's that's that. I mean, it's torn apart. I mean, I learned a lot, but also I'm disappointed that it just was just a pain. I mean, maybe like we were talking about it, a dab of anti-seize would have been perfect. Just a little, just a little bit, just a little touch. Cause yeah, this would have been a lot easier. I mean, even the bolts on the what am I trying to say? This, the bar.
The bar, yeah.
You guys know what I'm talking about. I'm tired. The bar, okay? The bar from here, the crossbar. What? The one that holds the crash bar. Thank you. Jesus Christ, the crash bar. I mean, look at the rust. It's just this is sun picking up, but look at the rust that's just on here. It shouldn't even look like that. It should. I mean, the bolts alone were rusty. I mean, where's the other one at? Oh, the one on the hose in the radiator. Look at this. Like, that looks like it's from a car from the 60s. Like, you expect that on the car that's over there, not on a car from 2012. Like, it doesn't make sense. But that's where we're at with this. I mean, it's been sitting a long time. The spider's been at home. I don't know if you can see it on camera, for real. I don't think it's gonna pick it up.
Yeah, you can barely see it, man.
You can almost see a little something hanging right there. It's blurry. It's that little blurry like blob thing. Yeah.
So we don't see another speed video until possibly
2023.
2023.
That's why.
Yeah.
It's been sitting in here.
We got some plans though. So
yeah.
Stay tuned. Just need to.
There's some plans with other Mazda too.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Good and bad news on that, but I can't talk about it right now. We'll talk about it later. Let's talk about that later. But yeah, that's it. Just like an update video. And for you guys asking how to order rims off of Fitment Industries is not, I mean, not to be like disrespectful, bogus. It's really not. It's not that hard. Like, they make it really.
Yeah, I did it on my phone.
Right. Like it's not. This light's not working. It's too bright. Oh my god, I gotta walk over here. Yeah. It's not that hard. Like, it's really not. Oh, look at that. You can see my face now. Oh, it's clear. No, but it's not hard. I know I had a subscriber asking me about how to order in from Colombia or something like that, but I don't know how to convert the price like that. I mean, I'm sure it's the same thing in Colombia, unless they don't ship it from Wisconsin to Colombia. Then that's a different issue. I mean, I'm sure there's.
You would have to pay for that regardless.
Right, so. It's gonna be extra. I mean, I'm sure there's somebody in Colombia that sells rims. I mean, has to be. It can't just,
unless they were trying to scam me.
If they're trying to scam me, then that's not cool. but yeah. So that's just the update video. I mean, that's it. I have nothing else to say.
Yeah. If we can't get it fixed, we probably may put out another video about that.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get it fixed. Maybe do a poll.
Because we're trying to get it tuned, but that was the process next. I mean, we have the rims and tires. I mean, we got exhaust, the battery box. The last thing was just to get it tuned.
Yep.
But I don't think he wants that to happen. It's kind of fighting back.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any suggestions about how to get those studs out, please let me know, or send help. Send help, because it's bad. Like, we've tried everything, heating it. Like, you guys saw the extraction stuff. Like grip pliers, all type. I've had someone come out and told me, and it was just a mess. I mean, but yeah, if you know someone or know how to fix that or how to get them out or easy way or something, let us know, because we're just struggling. And so yeah, that's gonna be it for this update video. I know it's short. How long has it been? Oh, 9 minutes. Not that bad.
Yeah.
Some slight, but yeah.
If you liked the video, remember, hit that subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button, like it, comment, share with your grandma's dog, cousin, everybody. Let everybody know. I mean, next time you see the speed, it's probably gonna be back on the window tires.
Yeah.
Literally, we took them off when we got the car to put these on, and at this point, they're about to go back on. There's mine. That's the difference. I don't think I talked about that story about mine, of the tire. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. Yeah, from the Speed Shop. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully it's not another month apart. Hopefully it's like a week. Today is Saturday, so yeah, hopefully about a week from now we'll have some good news. But yeah, that's it. Peace out.